up guys, how today? Hope you're fine. My name is Sobre and today's video continue with this experiment that I'm doing, that I'm reacting to only pilots in this month. Alright, a series that is, I really wanna saw a Spanish series, I really wanna saw a Spanish series, and one of the best Spanish series that Netflix has is this one because, well, it became really popular in this moment, and yeah, I know that maybe it prolongates a lot. So please tell me in the comments which season is your favorite one and which finale is your favorite one, the finale of the second season or the finale of the fifth season. Because, well, I haven't watched this series, obviously I'm gonna react first time watching, so let's gonna see, because it has something that I like, the heist, how they managed to rob a lot of money from the bank from the inside. Shit, it's kind of amazing, and I'm in love with the Spanish movies, the Spanish series. So let's gonna see what Money Heist give us right now in this episode 1.
Quiero proponerte un negocio, un atraco singular. Porque no vamos a robar el dinero de nadie.
¿Qué vamos a robar?
So we're gonna see what this series coming up here. So before start, please subscribe to my channel and hit that button, and please tell me in the comments what movies and what you need to react to, and also please follow me on all my social media because I have a lot of cool things there. If you want to learn more from me, right here, the cool stuff there. Also, if you wanna react, if you wanna see the more reactions of this series, please hit the like button so I know that you like this video and I continue to watch this series and want to react to. And also please join the member section of this channel if you want to support this channel a lot. Do it right now, they're really cool stuff there. So this is it. I'm just gonna see what Money Heist give us right now. Oh shit, and it happened, and it starts really now, the point at action. Alright, main protagonist. Who's her?
Me llamo Tokio.
Tokyo. Is it real
Pero cuando
name?
comenzó esta historia, no me llamaba así.
Oh, okay, it's not her real name.
Esta era yo. Y este, el amor de mi vida.
Oh shit, he
Lo
died.
dejé en un charco de sangre con los ojos abiertos.
Shit, wow.
Hicimos 15 atracos limpios. Pero mezclar amor y trabajo nunca funciona.
Well,
Así
yeah,
que
it
cuando
kinda.
Segurata disparó, tuve que cambiar de profesión.
Oh shit, so, alright, now she's.
Asesina.
Holy shit, yo, so you killed the guy? You killed the security
Pero
guard?
yo también estaba muerta.
Holy shit, alright.
Me caerían 30 años. Y la verdad, yo no soy de llegar a viejecita en la celda de un penal.
Alright, yeah.
Soy más bien de huir.
So, how everything started, how she passed from that thing to be like
Al menos eso.
missing or something, to became one of the greatest trackers and doing one of the greatest robs in Spain.
En realidad solo una.
And maybe the guy, the one that is taking her pictures, has something to do with it? Or not?
¿Ese viaje qué significa?
She's gonna leave
Que no voy a volver a verte más.
and never come back.
¿Qué tonterías dices? Pues claro que me vas a ver, te voy a comprar un billete para que vengas a visitarme.
Oh my god. But probably she's gonna see her mother, really, never. Oh, come on, please.
¿Estás sola?
Oh shit, no. Holy shit, no. She's not.
Pues baja a la calle, como si fueses al mercado. Yo te encontraré.
Oh shit.
Apareció mi ángel de la guarda.
Oh yeah, the one that was taking her pictures.
Se acierta como es un ángel de la guarda.
Shit, so alright, she didn't know that
Aparece en Seat Ibiza del 90.
that she's gonna be. Who's that? The leader of the rob.
Lo de cocinar en un barco chino solo tiene una ventaja.
How the fuck he knows? Wait, what? How he?
No tienes que fregar los platos.
Shit, wait. How the fuck he heard about that? Oh shit, oh, wow. Hey.
Vas de camino al matadero. Tienes un equipo de intervención esperándote y los de la UIT en un coche desde hace 6 días.
Oh, shit, wow. Okay. He knows how to intimidate a person.
Apuntándole con una
The
pistola.
professor. The professor, right? The leader of the thing.
¿Puedo?
Tokyo, calm down. Let's hear what this man is gonna say. Who's that?
Ya en casa de tu madre.
Oh, yeah. Shit, they knew. And she didn't knew, shit. Basically, if she go there, she's gonna be killed. A real business.
Un atraco
The real heist. The real fucking heist.
singular.
The biggest heist ever.
Gente que no tenga mucho que perder. ¿Cómo te suenan 2.400 millones de euros?
Wow, fuck it. Wow, 2.4
Ni en Nueva York,
billion.
ni en Londres, ni en Monte Carlo.
Shit.
Mi foto volvía a los periódicos.
That's basically you'll be really bloody rich. Oh, okay. The group. So we're gonna meet all the people that are gonna be in this heist, and he's the more like he's in a suit and tie. Look at that. He's gonna be the. I guess he's gonna be the leader. Well, the professor is the leader, but I don't think he's gonna be in the heist. And he knows something. Yes. Yeah, I know he knows something. Benvenuti.
Os di la bienvenida y las gracias por haber aceptado esta oferta de trabajo.
Okay, I'm gonna love
Alejados.
the characters. Maybe that one because it seems so funny. Maybe
¿Cómo dar el golpe?
Como que 5 meses.
5 months to study the heist. Shit.
Mira, la gente.
Because it's not like a rob a bank. It's gonna be something else.
Un sueldo que en el mejor de los casos no deja de ser un sueldo de mierda. Que son 5 meses. Yo llevo pensando en esto
Wow.
mucho más tiempo,
Well, basically, I guess a lifetime.
para no volver a trabajar en mi vida. Ni
Wow.
vosotros,
Okay, come on.
ni vuestros hijos.
Wow. I mean, a long time. A lot of generations. So,
De momento no
come on.
conocéis.
You know how
Quiero que siga
to.
siendo así. No quiero nada de nombres, ni preguntas personales, ni por supuesto relaciones personales.
Oh, come on,
Quiero que
really?
cada uno elija un nombre, algo
You really think that there are like young adults here, so.
17, la señorita 23.
Ya empezamos a
Okay.
recordar mi número de teléfono.
Pues por eso te lo digo. ¿Planetas? Yo puedo ser Marte. Este Urano. Yo Urano no voy a ser, así que te olvidas.
Uranus.
Tiene mala rima.
Yes, you're.
Quedamos con ciudades.
Okay, said it's
Y
good.
así fue como terminé
That's
llamándome
how.
Tokio.
Alright.
Ese que me mira
Good.
el culo es el señor Berlín. En busca y captura.
Berlin.
27 atracos, joyerías, casas de subastas,
Wow.
furgones. Su mayor golpe, los campos
Shit.
elíseos. En París, 434 diamantes.
What the hell?
Es como un tiburón en
Wow.
una piscina.
Oh, and
Puedes bañarte con él. pero no
I knew that
puedes
there is a series
Pero
of
te
him.
enamoras.
I guess it's like a miniseries.
Lo primero que cavó fue una mina, en Asturias.
Oh,
Después
yes.
comprendió que cavando hacia arriba llegaría más lejos. 6 peleterías, 3 relojes.
Look at
y la
that.
caja rural de Avilés. Maneja
Shit,
la
he's
caja
a good.
y cualquier herramienta.
He's one of
El
the
que
good
está
ones.
sentado detrás de Moscú es Denver, su hijo.
Heist in the family. Good.
Es el
Denver.
rey de las peleas de discoteca.
Wow.
Sangre caliente. En un plan perfecto, una bomba de relojería.
And that laugh is like. Can I be it?
Río. Es mi debilidad. Es como Mozart, pero con los ordenadores.
Real. And obviously, the thing of relationships there
Para el resto
is
de los
gonna
países
end
como son.
between these two.
Y ahí están los siameses, Helsinki y Oslo. Hasta en el plan más sofisticado hacen falta soldados. Y qué mejor que esos serbios.
Serbs, holy.
Francamente, nunca lo sabremos.
Good. Awesome.
Nairobi.
Nairobi.
Está empedernida. Ha falsificado
Ok.
desde los 13 años. Y ahora es
Counterfeiting.
calidad.
Good. Now, and yeah, she's gonna be really important in the
Piensa
heist.
que cada día los telediarios estarán hablando de nosotros.
Un fantasma, pero un fantasma muy inteligente.
Porque no vamos a robar
Look at that.
el dinero de nadie.
So what you gonna do now?
Simpáticos. Y eso es fundamental que tengamos la opinión pública de nuestra parte.
Really? Oh, okay, so they're not gonna be like bad
Vamos a
guys.
ser los puñeteros héroes de toda esta gente. Pero mucho cuidado,
Alright, good.
porque en el momento en el que haya una sola gota de sangre, esto es muy importante.
No
Porque una sola
blood.
víctima.
Yeah, it's
Tenemos
better.
que ser unos Robin Hoods para convertirnos simplemente en unos hijos de puta.
Yeah, and that's the people's gonna start to think they're gonna be good, but
Señorita Tokio,
if you kill someone,
¿Qué vamos a
something
robar?
might happen. Oh shit.
la Fábrica Nacional de Moneda y Timbre.
No way, the royal. Wait, you're gonna. Shit! Shit! You're gonna steal the royal mint. Wow! Okay, okay. This heist is gonna be fucking. I can know this is gonna be really, really fucking good, really fucking shit. Something really might happen. Holy shit, you have a... Shit, they have really a... Holy fuck, you have... Oh shit.
Empezaba ahora.
For now, for...
Pensé en toda la gente inocente a la que detendríamos en seco.
Shit,
Unida.
for not to be... For not to kill anyone. You have a lot of guns and a lot of explosive also. Shit. I know, for sure, that
El
that thing
profesor
that
sabía
not
que
to
solo
kill
había una manera de
anyone...
entrar en la fábrica de moneda y timbre con 3 toneladas de artefactos y arsenal.
Shit,
Y era hacer
that
algo
thing
del
of
camión
not to
que
kill
todos iban
anyone
a
is
decir
gonna
con
end
las
in some
nuevas
point
botellas de
because
papel moneda
someone is
listas
gonna
para
die. Yeah, we know.
Y eso era lo que íbamos a hacer. Entrar hasta la cocina y escoltados por la mismísima Policía Nacional.
Basically they're gonna enter by the front door. Shit.
En España, cualquier cosa custodiada por 2 zetas es algo fuertemente protegido.
Oh. Okay,
Pero si
okay.
mires cualquier posibilidad de que se comuniquen por radiotelefonía y si apuntas a unos chavales de 16
Oh,
años con 5
shit.
fusiles de asalto en la cabeza, por más armados que
I'm
vayan,
so sorry,
les
man,
mismo que les pasaría
but...
a cualquiera de nosotros.
Alright, the heist is starting.
Si esos hombres hubieran tenido a su hija en la trasera del camión, nunca hubieran abierto. Pero ¿a quién le importan unas bobinas de papel moneda con marca de agua?
Oh, they're okay. Money with... Yeah, the money that was sent to the Royal Mint to be printed off. Okay, so maybe that's the thing, they're gonna print money.
Conduciréis con
Right.
una pistola en los riñones, así que cuando llamen por radio para saber qué tal va todo, contestaréis con tranquilidad, como si todo fuera sobre ruedas.
You understood the thing? Yeah, they understood.
Y en mitad de aquel caos con pistolas, recordé que la noche anterior me habían pedido matrimonio y
What?
que hubiera preferido otros planes.
Wait, what?
Pero si lo piensas,
Who
nunca
proposed?
encuentras un buen día para un atraco.
Oh shit, who proposed to
Ahora
go?
ya sabes lo que tienes que hacer. No le quites ojo a la niña. No puede haber errores. Estamos.
Tiene 17 años.
The girl. Who's the girl?
Creo que podré con ella.
You gonna be a girl? Who is she? That girl. Okay. So that girl is gonna be important in this shit. And now I notice that there are many characters of Elite, of the another Spanish series, Her of the first season, Denver, yeah, and also there was another one, and Rio also, yes. Nope. Yeah. Come on. Shit, and that kids, where they going to the Royal Mint also? And they're going on a, I guess it's a school trip, and they're gonna be the worst day of her life, of them lives. Oh shit! Alright? Alright, they arrived. And yeah, as I said, the professor's not gonna be in the heist. Yeah, because he's more smart and he's gonna be acting in the shadows. And as I know, Berlin, I guess is gonna be the leader, the leader inside there.
Repita. Cambio de turno.
Alright, he's a great actor.
Eso está muy bien, tranquilo.
Very good. Careful, bro. Okay, shit. I know that someone's gonna be killed. Yeah, because that thing of not killing anyone, of not putting blood there, I don't think it's gonna work. Alright, he's not happy about that. Because of what?
Te digo que estoy embarazada y te quedas tan tranquilo.
¿Qué quieres que haga, Mónica?
What?
A la mujer le digo que recoja a los niños y nos vamos.
Oh shit! So okay, what? Shit, Monica, I'm sorry, but why you have sex with a married man?
¿Atenta a Tokio?
What? Gonna happen something there? Oh, they're gonna block. Oh, the security.
Alarmas desconectadas.
Awesome. Now you can enter. Let's go, people. It's time to start this shit.
Eras tú ayer el que decías que estabais mal, que no lo aguantas, que tenéis problemas.
Problemas como cualquier pareja, Mónica.
But what the fuck you?
Que tiene 3 hijos, no que me fuera a separar.
Shit, and you. Shit, that man is really a shit. He's really a fucker.
Llevo más de 20 años manteniendo relaciones estériles con mi mujer y ahora vienes tú a contarme esto.
Okay.
La diosa de la fertilidad.
Hold on. Wait, what? His nah. But how she can get pregnant? Okay, that's kinda. What happened? Shit.
¿Qué estás insinuando? Yo no he venido aquí a por una pensión, ¿sabes?
So what she's
Ni
heading
a por un
to?
divorcio. Mucho menos a por una prueba de paternidad.
Oh shit. So, ready girls.
Creía que tú me querías.
Really bad. You think that a man
Y
married
me parece una idea bonita.
is gonna divorce his wife because of that?
Difícil de encajar en nuestra
Come on, please, Monica. Time to enter. And where are the guns? Shit! Hey, what the fuck are you
¿Qué voy a
doing?
hacer con tu niño?
What the fuck are you doing?
Escúchame, no te preocupes.
Oh shit! And fucking started. Shit. Oh wait, what a fucker! He goes behind the woman. What a damn fucker! I'm sorry, bros, but it's not gonna work. Shit, the panic starts. The shit is getting started. Now, how is gonna be the police involved here? Father Liam, but I'm sorry, but you cannot leave. I'm sorry they kept you, all of you. Shit, I'm sorry, but holy fuck. What? Shit. Sorry, but you cannot go anywhere. What problem? Wait. Shit, the girl. What the fuck is the girl? Miss Parker.
Se ha metido.
Fuck. Of course, she's in the bathrooms. Shit. Holy shit. And with that girl there, maybe they're gonna hear the screams and maybe they're gonna be hiding somewhere. Doors closed. Nobody can get out. Nobody can get in. No, she don't want to. And she's now. They didn't hear the shots and the gunfire or something. Come on.
Vale. Estoy yendo muy deprisa. Lo sé.
Where's the lamb? Where's the little lamb?
Vamos a inmortalizar esto, ¿no?
Shit, they're gonna find her. Yeah. If she's not smart, you're gonna be found really soon. Oh shit, he's a fucker. He's like kinda Justin Foley of 13 Reasons, the guy that we saw in 13 Reasons.
Estás muy guapa.
Shit, he's like that.
No la veo, joder.
I found the real things that. Shit, what the fucker?
Ah, que esto es tu móvil, que si quieres la borras. Que esto es para nosotros, para ti y para mí.
Shit, I'm sorry, girl, but they found you. Or not? They didn't hear anything? Holy shit, what the
Con
fucker?
esta foto lo vas a meter en internet.
What a fucker! Found her. I'm sorry, girl, but you are not smart enough. So. Goodbye. Shit, what a fucker! And he's more fucker than Justin, yes. Eyes closed. Now, what's the next plan, Professor? Yeah, but what's the real plan? Because why you need that girl? Why you need that girl, and what you're planning to do? You're planning to print money? Because it's the real mean. They're print money, so.
Buenos días. Realmente no son formas de terminar la semana. Pero ustedes están aquí en calidad de rehenes.
He's really shit his pants. He's really scared.
Garantizo que saldrán con vida.
The man that was. Oh, I'm the very one. Now he's scared. He's really fucking scared. He's a coward. Shit. Fuck, she's pregnant.
¿Para qué necesita el PIN?
Don't ask question.
Te los hago a culatazos, tú verás.
Don't ask question, just do it. Shit, Aid.
PIN.
Fuck it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't be really, that's the.
Con toda la cara listo que tienes y pones esa
Shit, it's so fucking smart.
Arturo. ¿Arturo qué?
Arturo Román.
Arturo Román, muy bien. Arturito.
R2D2.
Conducto aquí, así que yo les voy a proteger.
Okay. You're gonna be really protect them? Well, yeah, because they're not gonna be blood, but we don't know it.
Suelta.
Hey. Shit, Berlin is really intimidating. It's really fucking intimidating everyone. Ariadna. Shit. Hey, what you gonna do?
Son las manos de un monstruo. No. Porque no soy un monstruo.
Well, shit, he's really
Sé perfectamente cómo te sientes.
smart, and I guess he's gonna get inside of everyone's mind, and shit, he's gonna be a fucker. I know he's gonna be a fucker. Shit.
Miren.
Shit. Who's that? Oh fuck.
Señorita Mónica Gastambide, por favor.
Mónica. Don't.
La señorita Mónica Gastambide, ¿sería tan amable de dar un paso al frente?
Come on, he knows who you are.
Soy yo.
Yes? What are you planning to do with her? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, open the... Okay. Maybe there's money, but that's not the money they want to steal because if it was that, they're gonna be planning something really smart and really huge.
Eres un crack, papá.
The gate is open. Oh shit, but what they gonna do with that money that they found there? And how much money is in there? By the way, because shit. Holy shit, how much is in there? Okay. You're incredibly rich.
Si tenemos suerte y no hace mucho el gilipollas, saldrá de aquí con la vida resuelta.
No es el gilipollas.
Venga, coño.
I like the relationship between these two, father and son. It's gonna be really good. Alright, Mónica, answer the fucking phone.
Convence a quien sea de que estamos cerrados por un problema técnico, ¿entendido?
Yeah. Yeah, don't act suspicious at all.
No va a quedar más remedio que apuntarle con una pistola. ¿La siente? Bien.
Shit, oh, fuck it. Shit. Now, Mónica, answer naturally.
Fábrica Nacional de Moneda y Timbre, dígame. No, lo siento, no le puedo pasar con
No,
el
he's
teléfono en este
not
momento.
available.
Se ha caído el sistema. No puedo...
No, he's... Get out.
No puede subir a coger el teléfono, no.
It's not possible.
No puedo.
Shit.
No,
Oh, come on.
pues porque no sé dónde está exactamente ahora mismo, porque no sé si está en la fábrica, en el museo, en la cafetería o dónde está, y además no es mi trabajo, señorita.
Oh, wow. Okay. Even though she's pointed by a gun?
Esa ha sido una interpretación de Oscar.
Shit, really?
Señorita Gastambide.
I like her so much. It's gonna be good. What are they doing? What the
A los 20 minutos de entrar, comenzamos a cablear el sistema de comunicación
How they do that?
sin móviles, sin
Shit.
frecuencia, sin que nadie pudiera oírnos.
Okay, smart ones.
Habíamos sellado las puertas.
No
Los teléfonos
mobiles,
no habían
no
saltado.
cell phones,
Estábamos
just
tomando un
radios
tiempo,
without
porque
frequency.
nadie supiera que habíamos tomado la fábrica de moneda y timbre.
And how the police is gonna know about the thing that is happening inside them?
Sencillamente, un día corriente. Sinceramente,
What? You don't want?
no creo que seamos la pareja ideal.
Why not? Come on.
Sí, follamos bien, fantástico.
Por algo se empieza, ¿no?
Falta algo más que follar bien para ser una pareja, ¿no?
Yes, alright, she knows. Okay, yeah, because she... 12.
300 millones de euros, ¿eh? No sé ni
Shit,
mucho antes de
he's so fucking young.
Hubiera amor y-
¿Cómo que hubiera amor? Amor había.
Oh,
Había,
shit.
¿qué hay?
And I guess she's scared of losing him because she also lose the love of her life, so she's scared of losing again to someone that she care of.
Ya no.
Shit.
Mira, Río,
Come on, Tokyo.
cuando todo esto termine, igual tú y yo nos vamos a Tahití y vemos si funciona. Pero
How?
mañana yo solo quiero pensar en una cosa.
Okay. Yeah, better. But don't shit. Rio now feel really Rio now is heartbroken, but oh shit, the lamp, but the girl.
Cámara de corazón abierto.
And now that don't answer, you need to
Poneos los chalecos y preparaos para salir.
go to where? Shit, what? So there's something more. Wait, what they're gonna do? Wait.
Todos, 3 pasos para atrás. Un poquito más por aquí.
So shit, this plan is really elaborated and really well think. Oh shit. They're gonna saw him.
Tranquilos. Estoy viendo las bolsas. Las tienen llenas de dinero. Ahora se largarán y aquí no ha pasado nada.
No, they're not gonna get out there as simple as that. Oh, they're gonna fake that that they were. Hold on. Because this is a really elaborate plan, and I really don't think that that they're gonna steal the money of that guy and they're gonna get out there. No, they're gonna fake that they steal the money that they already had and they're gonna leave, but they cannot leave because the police is gonna be there and they're gonna be a gunfire somewhere and they're gonna enter again and they're gonna print the money. They're smart. Shit, this series is getting really good. Oh, okay. Careful, 2D2. Careful, you, man. They knew. 2 minutes. They knew about it. Oh, Berlin noticed? Berlin noticed or not? Or what?
¿Por qué salta la alarma?
Careful. Berlin is gonna notice.
Un minuto 40 segundos.
He knew it! Oh shit, I'm sorry, bro, what?
¿Cómo te llamas?
R2D2.
Arturo.
Arturo, ¿verdad?
Really, you didn't see anything. Come on, you're acting really brave, but you are a coward, man.
Mírame. Hey. Venga, va. ¿Te gusta el cine?
Why? Why that question?
¿Te gusta?
Yes.
Soy muy aficionado.
Alright, yes. So...
¿Y tú te has dado cuenta que en las películas de miedo siempre sale uno al principio, así?
Yeah, the brave guy,
Te huele a muerto.
Yes, it's the first kill. Shit, what about he's gonna be murdered there? He's gonna get killed?
Arturo, créeme. Hueles a muerto.
Oh shit! I'm sorry to R2D2, but take careful on everything, on every single thing that you do, because you're gonna get killed.
Que la policía no tenga ni la más mínima idea de lo que estamos haciendo.
Yes! Shit!
Vamos a hacerles creer que entramos a robar. Que nos sorprendieron huyendo con el dinero, que todo se jodió. Que sacamos las armas, disparamos a bocajarro y no tuvimos más remedio.
And then you're gonna get inside them, but the real heist is more complicated than that.
Sin haber herido a nadie.
Awesome!
Nos metemos dentro. Que piensen.
That the police. Yes! That the police think that they caught all of them, but yeah, shit. Hey, shit, what the fuck, Tokyo? You missed the...
Salir, tirar el dinero, disparar al suelo a bocajarro y volver.
Oh shit!
Lo había escuchado más de 30 veces.
But what the fuck, Tokyo? You saw... Shit, no! Fucking wait, what the fuck, Tokyo?
Profesor, es que ellos también dispararían a bocajarro.
Who died? Real, what the... Tokyo, what the fuck you did? That wasn't the fucking plan. Alright, Tokyo is really... She wants to... Shit, no, fuck! Tokyo, what the fuck? Now you kill a police cop. Shit. Tokyo, what you... Tokyo, what the fuck? You get out there in first place so fast. There wasn't the time. Alright, the plan is fucked up and just beginning. Shit, the plan is fucked up and then... The fuck, Tokyo? They kill... It was the first fucking rule, Tokyo. Why you didn't listen and the... Shit. That's why? That's the why you don't listen. That's why you don't listen. The plan is now fucked up. Because of you. Because you run. Shit, you now. Shit, now what they're gonna do right now? They're gonna do right now because
La bala de un M16 sale disparada.
now their plan is changing. Now their fucking plan is changing.
Más rápido que la velocidad del sonido.
Berlin now is gonna be pissed
Te
off.
disparan al corazón.
Now.
Ni siquiera oirás la bala que te ha matado. De esa manera supe que lo había jodido todo.
Yes. What the
En un milésimo
fuck?
de segundo.
What the fuck, Tokyo? What the fuck you did that in first place? Shit. It ends? It ends, it fucking ends. Shit! Hold on, what? Fuck it! The series was so perfect, was so well, and the plan was so perfect, really smart. Shit! The professor? I guess he planned this heist basically all of his life because shit, from being that precisely that thing that the real plan, that the plan was first, but there was a real plan, more bigger than that. So shit, the professor is really smart and she knows every single step. But Tokyo fucked up the plan in just a second, in just a microsecond. Shit. I don't know, but Tokyo is... Well, Tokyo's not pissing me off, but she don't think. The only thing that she think is to act so fast, and she don't wait. She's not patient. Shit, Tokyo's gonna... I guess from that single scene, I guess Tokyo's gonna fuck up the whole plan more than this. I know it for sure because shit, it's gonna be fucking... Okay, this series, I liked it. The first episode was so fucking good. Shit, so please tell me in the comments which one is your favorite season, which is your favorite episode of this series, and tell me in the comments if you want to react to all, the series, and tell me which one is your favorite finale, the finale in season 2 or the finale in season 5. So please tell me if you want a reaction to the whole series or just the finale of the season 2 and then not watching more. So this is it. Please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel and hit that button, and please tell me in the comments what movies and what series you made to reaction, or please follow me on my social media because I have a lot of cool things there. If you want to learn more from me, right here, there are really cool stuff there. Also, please join the member section of the channel if you want to support the channel a lot. There's cool stuff there. Check it out. So cool. So this is it, and see ya another time. Goodbye.